Hey, I'm Alex Irving. I'm the director here at linemark.com. Now, linemark.com is a tech-enabled line marketing business, which is really unique in an industry that is largely old school. Many of our competitors have been around for years, and while they've got experience, they're also quite set in their ways. Now, this industry as a whole doesn't see a lot of new players coming in or embracing the latest technology. I feel that it's this old mindset that creates a brilliant opportunity for us. By bringing in a fresh perspective and integrating technology, we've transformed what is usually a traditional marketing service into a tech-enabled, customer-centric experience. We started as a one-person operation, which was me, with a line marketing machine, and today we're delivering over £750,000 in revenue with plans to reach a £33 million valuation within 5 years. Now, the line marketing for car parks and warehouses is growing at an impressive rate of around 10% annually, and our addressable market is around 65 million. Now, we're aiming to capture around 22% of that within 5 years. To fuel this growth, we're seeking a £250,000 investment. Now, this capital will go into hiring key staff and expanding our marketing reach. Right now, our customer acquisition cost is around £70, with an average project value of £2,500. An excellent position. However, we're self-funded and have achieved everything so far without external loans or overdrafts. So with this investment, we'll be able to capitalize on our momentum, particularly by expanding our team and marketing efforts. Our unique part of the strategy is video marketing. We love documenting our journey and sharing it with our customers, giving them insight into our growth and the challenges, as well as the behind the scenes action that really makes us who we are. We believe transparency and connection are the best ways to build a lasting relationship with our customers. So if you're interested, you'll find everything you need here: our business plan, financial projections, the option to book a one-to-one with me personally. And look, I want to work with investors who are committed to the journey, not just looking for a quick exit. This is a 5-year plan. So if you're aligned with our vision, by all means book in a chat and we'll see if we're a right fit. Thanks very much for watching for now. I do look forward to speaking to you soon. If you've got any questions, of course, you can always email me directly at alex@line-mark.com. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care. Thank you. Bye.